So I'm Tony Tomasini. We are doing panel replacements on I-5 in winter. It's currently about 36 degrees. This is an emergency repair. There's 46 panels that were put out. The majority of them are impact panels in front of bridges, but they marked these panels as something that needed to happen immediately. Hence the reason for doing it in the winter. We'll be done with this in another couple weeks. We're doing 2 panels a night, tear out, replace, and open. We get the highway basically at 11 o'clock, and we're having to turn it back over at 3:45. We need 2,500 PSI to open. We're achieving over 3,000 in 2 hours. But basically full depth panel replacements. We've got Nations producing, we've got Granite putting down, and we've got Panhall doing all the cutting and putting in the bars. Yeah, they come in, they saw cut the panels. After they've marked them, they saw cut the panels. They tear them out with excavators, compact the sub base, put in the dowel bars, put the plastic sheeting in, and then we pour rapid set. Then we'll spray a cure on it and cover it in plastic and insulation blankets until we have to open.